My name's Stewart. At the beginning of my property journey, I'm looking for rent to serviced accommodation and BRR to serviced accommodation in Luton and Bedford, both patches near me. And I'm also looking at commercial opportunities as well, both with serviced apartments as uppers or standard retail or kind of light industrial that could be potentially moved into residential.
And how far into your journey?
I joined 2 months ago, joined the academy 2 months ago, yeah.
How's that?
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, really good. I was actually made redundant 2 months ago, and been looking at side hustles for a while. Wanted to get out of then 25 years in corporate roles, and yeah, even the thought of going for another role, frankly, in that corporate world, it has no appeal whatsoever. So I want to get a grip of, I guess, finances and create a better future for my family. So yeah, property was an obvious choice. I shopped around, looked at a few different learning institutions and academies. And this one stood out by a country mile.
And what have you learned from the 2 months? How's the learning process
It's been phenomenal, yeah. I mean, the amount of in-person learning has really shocked me, actually. The fact that the kind of the present being of the number of people that are here at these types of events, 4-day events. You've got 300-400 people, all the mentors here on site, so much expertise and experience and knowledge to learn from. And the online learning, I mean, I'm only in the foothills. There's absolutely tons of it, and it's really relevant. It's embedded in reality. It's taught by people, and yeah, there's real people here making good money.
what would you say to someone who's looking to get into property?
Yeah, I'd say yeah, you have to jump in. I think it's scary at times. Feels like it's a big leap, but time and time again over the years, it's been proven to be a very safe investment. Properties doubling every 10 to 15 years. There is in today's economy a lot of other riskier investments, arguably, and I'm surrounded by people here that are making incredible money, and that's really inspiring.